Chakras, your 7 powers. Most of us don't know exactly how powerful we are, that we have 7 engines, 7 frequencies of power, when balanced and working together, can create magic and miracles for health, wealth, happiness, and love. My name is Blanche Blacke, and I have been teaching chakra consciousness, doing spiritual healings, and training practitioners in chakra analysis and energy healing since 1996. We'll begin at the Chakra Shoppe, 5034 North Lincoln Avenue. There will be an overview of the entire chakra system, lectures about the different powers, how each chakra connects with the others, and the alignment and balancing of our system. Saturday morning, we will begin with the heart chakra, working to heal using crystals, aromatherapy, and sound healing. We will cleanse and clear. We will transform grief into joy. Continuing through the entire chakra system to address every shadow belief, every unconscious pattern that causes us suffering or inhibits our power or stops us from our happiness. By the end of the weekend, you will feel transformed, a different person. Here's what some of past participants have to say about past workshops.
I feel like my spirit has been renewed, and I really have a greater sense of who I am, and I feel like very much at peace with myself and within myself.
My most surprising moment was a 5th chakra block that I thought I had relieved years ago had come up again, and I was finally able to relieve that. Some old pain and hurt that had happened long ago, what never really went away, but I think it's gone now. I feel renewed, regenerated. I feel whole. I feel like I have so much energy that I feel so much younger inside, like I could do anything.
Blanche is a wonderful teacher, a great mentor, and she's just a naturally gifted person that brings out certain qualities in students and is very aware of what they need in order to grow and heal. So I think she's a great teacher.
I had searched many places and read many different classes to take. This particular one had the answer that I was looking for. Don't lose the opportunity.
Register online at www.chakrashoppe.com or call 773-271-3054.
These are transformational times. Are you ready? Let's do this.